Adonis and the ShipOwner 416. Many ship owners have issues because the invasion of Ukraine now has stopped the supply of the Eastern European top 4 ranks. That means that there is going to be a huge change. Which one? Now stop complaining about I don't have these nationalities, but we have to really open our brains towards new flags, how we can use these Panama, Marshall, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda flags that accept all these nationalities. If we are limited towards this Malta flag, very few endorsements, then Cyprus, 1, 2 more countries, Madeira, 2, 3 more, but let's just open the bracket now. Even some are thinking towards Spanish flag if they are in the LNG, in the chemical sector, in the raw packs, and in container sector. The ships are going to be trading around 50% in this planet around Tiki-Taka, meeting point Spain. So there are many ways to control costs for 25, 26. The ratings is not an issue. The issue is the officers. How are we going to solve it? Some very smart and very fast owners are contacting Candina because there is no visa requirements for Latinos, and that's a huge competitive advantage. Everybody's looking towards Asia. Asia is very far away, it's much closer, America. Therefore, please contact us so we can really have these Adonis and these barriers of talent, and also open the brains towards new sources, because the old sources and the old policies are gone. So the first one is the flag, the second one is Adonis, the barrier, and the third one is just go direct so we can keep the talent in-house, in your house, with this software that really makes huge competitive advantage for your company. Many ROPAX companies are doing some offshore. Now is the time for container, for LNG, for all the different types of LPG and so on. Please contact us. Thank you. Bye.